Hi, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking whole beets in the Instant Pot. The first step we need to do is to open our Instant Pot, pour 1 cup of water, and add beets whole. And I just put beets directly in the water. If you'd like, you can use the rack that came with the Instant Pot, but you don't have to do that. They cook perfectly fine directly in the water. And the reason why I cook them whole and peel them later, because it's so much easier to peel and cut them when they're cooked and soft as opposed to doing it before. So once you add water and whole beets to the Instant Pot, let's close the Instant Pot. And turn the valve to the sealing position. Next, press the pressure cook button and set the time to 20 minutes on high pressure. And walk away. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking. So what we need to do is quick release the steam. And once the pin drops, you can open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are the beets perfectly cooked. So we just need to carefully transfer them to a bowl. I'm just going to use the slotted spoon. And I will let them cool down for about 10 minutes until they're cool enough to handle and I can peel them and slice them. Now the Instant Pot beets have cooled down, so I'm going to peel and slice them. I'm going to wear disposable gloves since beets tend to color your hands red. I want to avoid it. So to peel and slice the beets, first I'm going to cut off the ends. And then just use a simple vegetable peeler to peel the beets, as you would peel any other vegetable. So this beet is perfectly peeled, and now I will slice it. And put it in a serving bowl. And I will repeat the process with the remaining beets. So here we go, perfectly cooked and sliced beets. And at this point, I can take off and throw out my disposable gloves. See, everything is messy, but my hands will be clean. And you can serve these beets as a side dish, or you can make delicious beet salads with them. For great recipes of different beet salads, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and search beet salad in a search bar.